Okay.
Oh, who let come with the house like that? She is doing the most. OMG, what does she have on? She ratchet. Her lace front is all wrong, cause she ratchet. Give me the phone. I'ma take this girl a picture. Got it. I'ma put this girl on Twitter. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. See you ratchet. Boy, bye. Now with them shoes on.
I just wanna
Punch it in her face. I can't stand her. Oh, she too fake. Girl, let me tell you where I got my Mr. Girl with a baby boy, and it came with a sister. Girl, yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club in the middle of the floor. In the middle of the floor, no shoes. How to get cute today? I went to purple today. My baby just get back no shoes today. Got the tracks yesterday. Girl, did you get to today? Gon' beat me up. Move track, it's the 15th. Got my food stamp. Brand new piercing, brand new tap. Right here, $95. What this week? Plus tax. Listen to that. No, this taking long. Better than I am a motherfucking thing. Cut it off. Cut it off.
No.
Okay.
No.
We messed up.
OMG, what does she have?
No. It's like.
We messed up. This is stupid. This is stupid.
Shh, girl, be quiet. Hey, girl, how you doing? You look good today. Get it. We'll talk to you later. Bye bye. OMG, what does she have on? She ratchet. Her lace front is all wrong. Mine not wrong.
Mine not wrong here.
Okay.
We're not done.
Game over. I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. So you ratchet. Boy, bye. Now with them shoes on. I like my boys with pillows. Okay, let's go.
Jordans, bitches. Nike, Jordans, Vans.
Dion's, yes.
Adidas.
Everything.
I got some pizzas.
All right.
Rolling.
Pizzas.
All right. What are we?